Hi, this is Brian Wickland. It's my casual day here at Garfinkel Schwartz in Maton, Florida. I'm upstairs here in my office, kind of rejuvenating after I was on some trips, and I'm getting ready to go back out of town next week. So I thought I'd just come to you in my casualness and just explain to you the first person that you're probably going to ever talk to or email or correspond with. His name is Doreen Cabral. Doreen is my paralegal, and she takes care of everything. Very organized person while I'm traveling and meeting clients all around the nation. I trust her 100%. She and I both have kind of a unique background because she's been in the legal field for 34 years, and for a decent portion of that time she worked for firms that represented insurance companies. And for a decent period of my 19-and-a-half-year career as a lawyer, I represented insurance companies and self-insured companies, and I was in-house counsel for an insurance company. And so we have a very large database of all the tricks that they do to try to stop people getting the fair value of their claim. I do have other videos that attest to that, but I just wanted to let you know that when you call this place, Doreen will return your calls immediately, pretty much. She's always working. We forward our calls to her cell phone if I'm out of town or on a plane. We have a 24-hour answering service that's live, and so probably within I get everything on my phone. So as soon as I see someone that's in trouble that needs some help and needs some questions answered, I usually, as soon as I get off the plane or I get a time or a little break, either I or Doreen are going to call you back and email you and try to set up a time to spend some time initially to see what your issues are. So I just wanted to get you a little bit of a feel for what we do here and how hard we work and why we do it. We despise the insurance companies, and that's just the way it is. So if you have any questions at all, please contact us. Doreen will probably be your first point of contact, and then she knows always 24 hours a day how to find me. And so please don't hesitate to call. There are no stupid questions because this law is very complicated. And we think that we specialize in this for a while, so I think we could probably answer just about any of your questions. And I know this is an important time in your life. If you're injured overseas and don't know what to do, it just can't hurt you to call a lawyer. It doesn't cost any money to call us. It doesn't cost any money ever to you. If we don't get benefits, then we took the risk with you. If we do get benefits, we get paid separately from the insurance company based on my hourly rate and how many hours I put into your claim. Completely separate, no percentage, no contingency, no hourly rate that you would have to pay. It's the insurance company that has to. So there's really no reason why you wouldn't pick up the phone, even if you think the questions are menial. They're usually not, and we can get through this together. So please call. If you don't call me, please call an attorney that specializes in defense-based act and longshore law. There aren't many of us out there that completely specialize in that and know exactly how to go about it. The insurance company plays a lot of tricks, and Doreen and I know all of them. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully, if you are injured, if you haven't been injured, or you're just kind of perusing the internet, if you need me, you know where to call me, and you know how to find Doreen. Thanks for your concerns, and thanks for watching, and I hope you're healthy and you don't ever need to call me. But if you do, then I'll be happy to help. That's what I do. This is Brian Wickland from Garfinkel Schwartz, upstairs in the Maitland office. Thank you.